그대 잠깐 눈을 붙일 때 나는 마음에 물을 붙여요. 비밀의 나만의 초콜릿. 그대 차가운 몸을 녹일 때 나는 초콜릿을 녹여요. 비밀의 나만의 초콜릿.
Hey guys, what's up? So you can see how I look and I am wearing clothes just if you want to know. So I am finalizing this video to make a cat tutorial about how to look like a cat. So first we will do a little bit of skincare. So I don't like too much oiliness on my face, so I will just do a simple toner on my face and then I will use my moisturizer. So this is my simple like a priming routine before makeup. I don't use anything like essences, serums or sheet masks before makeup because I feel like it is not necessary. If you want to really apply it before 30 minutes so at least your skin can absorb and not your powders. Then I am blending my moisturizer really nicely and like kinda doing a massage all over my face, because when we see a cat face we obviously see really chiseled, really sharp edges, and everything on your face is really lifted. So I am also trying to do a massage and draining all the toxins. Next I will use a primer. So priming is necessary, and by the way guys, I know you all guys work in front of lights, in front of ring lights, or maybe just another makeup day and you are clicking pictures. So try to wear your sunscreen in front of lights as well, because lights also do damages on our skin. So wear sunscreen in the house as well, in front of the light as well, doesn't matter it is night or day. Next, after blending my primer really nicely, and I have used it really a little bit because I'm obviously gonna stay in my house, going nowhere for nothing, getting ready again and again. So yeah, whatever. Then my foundation brush is tinted by my another video tutorial. So I am using my Olivia pen stick, and by the way guys, really concentrate on your T-zone in spite of going all over on your face. I really recommend a liquid foundation for this step, but I have not like got the perfect consistency, perfect texture for my skin in a liquid foundation, so I will use my pan stick. You can use a stick foundation as well, but I really recommend liquid foundation because you can blend it really nicely. And by the way, I'm using really soft like strokes, so everything blends in and looks as much as seamless. When you want the seamless no makeup kind of look, you need to care about two steps. First, you need to use a good foundation. Second, you need to use a softer brush. How much soft your strokes, how much soft your brush is, that much natural and seamless you are gonna look. So I'm blending it with a really light hand all over my face, and it looks really natural on my face, right? So after blending on my eyes as well, I'm going to do the concealer with the same stick. I don't have dark circles. I just have, the little bit of shadow going on under my eyelids. So I will do the concealer with the same pan stick in just these spots. And first tap, only I'm tapping in the motions because I don't want to ruin the look and don't want a brush. I'm doing the same with my eyes, first tapping on to the inner eyelid, then going all over my eyes. So I really prefer this in spite of just dragging it out, because dragging it out will not make any difference.
She loves you. You're gonna hear 잠깐 눈을 붙일 때 나는 마음에 물을 붙여요. 비밀의 나만
After doing this, I am going to do my eyebrows, and for eyebrows today, you can see I have a little eyebrow on, like this is my natural brow, so I don't want to do my brow because cat face already obviously has a really natural brows. So I'm just filling in wherever I see gaps. I'm not touching the front, I'm not touching the end. In the middle point, I am just touching up wherever I have any gaps.
초콜릿이 어울려. 한 입에 쏙 들어갈 때에 마법의 주문을 외운다. 나를 사랑하게 될 거야. 호잇 호잇 수많은 표정들의 초콜릿.
You know, natural look really deserves a really natural brows as well. Then I'm going with a white concealer and applying it onto my lids. The reason why I'm using a white thing on my eyes is because it will first of all prime my eyelids, will pop up the shade, and also will fill any kind of pores there are, so my look will look as much as seamless as possible.
She loves you, don't you hear? 초콜릿이 말하잖아.
You can see the difference of the eyes with white on and without white. For the shadows today, I am going to use a flat brush because I really prefer this pigments to look like a shadow on my eyes, because these pigments are really natural. This eyeshadow is really natural, so I really want it to look like something on my eyelid at least. So I'm using this kind of flat brush and putting on colors and placing them on. So first I have used a peach color, then I'm using a orange color just on the half of my eyelid. So first I have used the peach all over my eye, then orange on the half of my eye, and at the last I will use a brown color with the same brush and will apply it only on the outer part, and will really blend it out because doing harsh lines will not make your eyes look good.
비밀의 나만의 초콜릿. 그대 차가운 몸을 녹일 때 나는 초콜릿을 녹여요. 비밀의
Then after doing black brown kind of color on the outer corner, I'm also dragging it out on my lower lids, and I am going to apply a eyeliner, but for that first I'm going to curl my eyelashes. You know, curling your eyelashes first before eyeliner really makes it like see what your open eye eyeliner will look instead of doing it on droopy. So for this look, the eyeliner needs to be as much as natural. So first we need to trace our natural eyeline. Don't go over it, don't go down it, just trace your natural eyeline. In the next step, because we have curled our eyelashes, this will place a gap into your eyes and you will draw your wing liner from that point. You can also use a tape for it, but I don't think it's necessary because it will be really easy because you can see the gaps. And next, when you pinch your eyes just like a cat, you can see the inner corners of your eye dragged out. So we will apply a brown eyeliner. You can use any kind of pencils as well, and we'll just highlight the inner corner of your eye. You can use this method and pinch your eye and do the same, and it will look like this. And look straight into the mirror and see where your pupil ends. Start the brown eyeliner on that point and apply it all over the outer part on your eyes. I am really trying to explain it really badly, guys. I hope you can understand what I'm saying.
You're gonna hear she loves you. She loves you.
Our base is done. Next is eyelashes. So apply the eyelash wherever we can see the lines going on. Don't apply in the middle part of your eye, just apply it on the outer corners. The outer corners are really concentrated in this look, so don't also apply on the middle part, the mascara. So after doing this, we are going to apply a nude, or you can use a white or golden as well. Golden will look really good. So I'm using a nude pencil from Mars and going to just highlight the white parts, and also going to underline the outer part of my eyes, so it will look like a boat under my eyes. I feel like, yeah, it will look like a boat. So this is the eye we are going to create. So as this is really natural look, we are going to apply natural fake lashes instead of heavy lashes, and obviously concentrate on the outer parts. Don't apply it into the inner parts, apply it on outer parts and go round with it. Don't apply like it in a corner base. So here are with our eyelashes. Then I'm going to contour my nose. So for contouring, just do a straight line curving it from your eyes, and just like minus your all facial features and do a really small face. I am blending this contour with my pack brush. So now the time is to add some colors onto our face. So first I'm using a orange color from my eyeshadow palette and just applying it onto my cheekbone. And by cheekbone means exact on the cheekbone, not down from it, not up from it, and really blending out really generously. And after blending it out, we are going to use a pink on the same spot. This will create like a really peachy fuchsia color, which will look really good in this look. Next is to highlight. So I will just highlight on my nose, just in my eyebrows, and I think that will be it. I will not highlight anything. I will highlight my upper lips as well, and we don't need to highlight anything else because this look is all over looking natural. If you're going to do too much bold highlighters, it will not look good. Then after applying lip balm, I'm going to dip it onto my eyeshadow palette in an orange, and this creates a really lovely orange lip color on my lips. And at last we are going to apply our eye lenses, and next I will apply a lip gloss, really concentrating on my cupid's bow, so it looks like a big pout but in a really glossy and natural way. So this was my take on a cat makeup face. Please comment, like and subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and also throw some recommendations about what I should do next. Thank you so much for watching.